Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ActiveCampaign automation for webinar registrations step by step clearly. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Automations section from the left-hand menu. Locate the automation you wish to update for webinar registrations. Click on the name of the automation to open it. Review the current setup to identify any changes needed. If you need to add a new trigger, select the Add Trigger option. Choose the appropriate trigger for webinar registrations, like Submits a Form. Select the form that's associated with your webinar registration. Customize the trigger settings as necessary, then click Add. Next, review your existing actions in the automation. If you want to add a new action, click on the Add Action button. Choose actions like sending a confirmation email or adding tags. Fill in any required details for the action you have selected. Make sure to adjust any timing delays according to your needs. If there are conditional splits, ensure they align with your updated goals. Test the automation by clicking on the Test button in the upper right corner. Follow the prompts to verify that the new setup works as intended. Once confirmed, click Save to update the automation. Return to the automation's dashboard to confirm the changes are live. Monitor the performance of the updated automation regularly. Make further adjustments as needed to optimize registration success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.